Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if your Google Chrome installer has failed to start. So this should be a pretty quick tutorial and we're going to jump right into it. And we're going to start by heading over to the start menu, and you want to left click on it one time to open it up. And now you want to type in regedit, so regedit. Best message comes up should say regedit, and you want to right click on it and then left click on run as administrator. And now if you receive a user account control window, you want to select yes. So now what we want to do is navigate over on the left side here. Let's start with going underneath HKEY current user. And you want to left click on the little arrow next to that to expand the view. And now you want to go underneath software right here. So either double click on these folders or click on the little arrow on the side to expand the view. And now you want to go down to where it says Google, and you want to expand that view as well. And you want to right click on the Google folder and then click on delete. It's going to ask you should you want to permanently delete this key and all of its subkeys. Select yes. Now we want to back up on the left side here, and now we want to go underneath HKEY local machine, expand that view. Now you want to go underneath software, and now you want to go underneath Google once again right here. You want to right click on Google and then click on delete. It's going to ask you should you want to permanently delete this key and all of its subkeys. Select yes. And then I recommend restarting your computer and you should be good to go. I would recommend that you do back up your registry before performing any of these actions, and it's pretty simple to do. So I would recommend that you back it up just in case, but this is a pretty straightforward tutorial, so I just want to put that out there. But I do hope I was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.